Okay, YouTube guys, this is my room at the school. My bed, my room as bed, and two other bed. So, it was my earlier roommates. The one get kicked out and the other stopped it himself. So sad, but I love my other roommate. This is my roommate's computer, laptop, and this is mine. Right now I'm playing GTA San Andreas. My cheap amplifier and speaker, sound system, homemade dog shit. Poo poo. That's cool. I will paint it brown. My two closet with the other speaker. It's cool. I have two. My roommate's two closet door. The cleaning thing and the bath looking kind of new. My towel, the floor, the toilet, not so funny. Ooh, we got water, yes. And me, and two towels more, some shoes, soap, and I think this was a short vid, so my friend Chili Sater can suck his own ass. So, bye for now. Hope you see you later.